Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I will tell you how to upload video on Rumble. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to log in your Rumble account. After that, on the right corner, click the video sign, and then click upload video, and then click here to upload video that you want to post. After that, write video informations from video title and then descriptions. Also, choose the thumbnail of your video. And then, if you want to tag someone, tag them here. Next is, if you want to upload your video the next day, just choose the schedule here. But if you want to upload directly, click upload. After that, you will be directed to your licensing option, which is video management that is exclusive. And then, video management that excludes YouTube. Another one is Rumble only, wherein it is non-exclusive or similar to YouTube. The last one is personal use, wherein it's not monetized, not searchable, only available to your subscribers. Now, after choosing your licensing option, check all the Rumble's terms and conditions. After that, you can see your direct link, embed link, and monetize embed code. And here, you can directly view the video you uploaded after a few moments. So that is how to upload video on Rumble. Please leave a comment if you like this video and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and have a great day.